What's up, guys? Welcome back to second video coming back from this fathead here, and we are going to be putting these Proline dual stage foams inside these Pitbull Rock Beast 2 alien compound, taking off these what are you could call them, Falcon Wild Peak Peck tires. So these tires are they're pretty good in the mud and like wet sand and stuff like that, but I gotta say, putting these wheels on these tires was probably the easiest thing you'll ever do. So I'm gonna take these tires off and then put these tires on and then put them on Sergeant Bobble. So let's get to stripping down. Well, got the Leaning Tower of tire foams opened, and let's assemble them and get the foams inside the tires. Boom. Got them all put together. Nice and like firm. I like that. I like when tires all firm. It'll help on steep inclines. Inclines would work too. So I'd say probably the hardest part of this was getting this back bead started. Had to push down a little hard. But other than that, I think the hardest part was getting the blue, harder inner foam in the tire, and then the silver ring that goes inside. That was a little hard to get in them too. So let's get Sergeant Bobble over here and get these tires on and see what he looks like. Alright, got him on there. Looks a lot better. I like how this is coming out. Looks good with this Vanquish bumper on there. I might get a light bar or something, put them right here. I don't know. So, well, thank you guys for watching. This video is a little shorter, so figured that last one was a little long and boring. So, well, hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Let's keep this thing growing. Fathead here. See you guys next time. Peace out.